as MEC for Finance Lebohang Maile presented the revised budget of the province for the year 2025-26 fiscal year earlier today. Now, the second presentation of the budget follows the approval of the third national budget, which was delivered by Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana last month. Maile states that this year's budget reflects the seventh administration's dedication to transforming the political priorities set by residents into activation program of the provincial government.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGoli usubuyekeze isabelo mali sawo wanyusa ke imali ehlongozwayo yafinyelela ku172 billion wamarandi kulonyaka wezimali. Esikhathini sezimali ezidlule isifundazwe sabuyisela emuva imali engu1.8 billion wamarandi. Kulandela ke ukukhalaza komphakathi, ingxenye yalezi imali ezingasetshenziswanga zabe sekudluliselwa kulonyaka wezimali. Ungqongqoshe wezezimali uLebohang Maile wethule kabusha isabelo mali ngoLwesibili ukuze aveze lezi zinguquko ohlelweni lwezimali zesifundazwe. uMaile uthi kuyakhathaza ukungasebenzi kwabaningi.
Unemployment remains our biggest challenge, as evidenced by the latest data showing that Gauteng's unemployment rate increased to 13.7%. This inordinately affects the youth and will also necessitate deeper collaboration with the national government and the sector education and training authority.
Kusenjalo uMaile uqhube ngokuveza ukungangezwa kwemali kuMnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda izomasipala abaningi bengagculisi.
Gauteng Department of Infrastructure Development's allocation for 2025-2026 financial year amounts to 3.6 billion and cumulatively 10.8 billion over the MTF. These resources are intended to support the economy through the revitalization of central business districts into vibrant economic hubs in a manner that ensures that precinct developments are completed to accommodate Gauteng provincial government departments and regional offices.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthole isabelo mali esingango-68 billion wamarandi, kwathi owezempilo wathola u67.1 billion, kanti ezokuhlaliswa kwabantu wathola u232 million wamarandi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisashaya imithetho saseGoli eJohannesburg.